Welcome to jazztime.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Panerai Luminor Marina PAM 1359. We're going to go through pricing, the dial, the case, the bezel, the movement, and where you can buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. So let's dive right in. As of 2016 December, the PAM 1359 retails for $7,500, and you can buy it at jazztime.com for as low as $6,000 and change. So the next thing we're going to look at is the dial here. The dial is actually black with luminous Arabic numerals, the date at 3 o'clock as you see, and the second hand at the 9 o'clock. Now what is different from this watch, the PAM 1359 versus the PAM 359, is one, the second hand is different. So that's a major change, and probably why they had changed the model number from PAM 359 to 1359. Now another interesting feature that's also present on the PAM 359 is that it has a sandwich dial. What that means is the hour markers here are luminous, but they're luminous underneath the black plate, which is the dial. It's actually cut out. Most manufacturers paint or add luminous markers on top of the dial, whereas Panerai cuts it out and places it below the dial. That's quite an interesting thing. Hopefully you guys can see it from this video when I turn it sideways. Honestly, it makes it very unique, and it gives it kind of a 3D feel to it, which I really like. Now moving on to the bezel, it uses this domed stainless steel bezel, which is very nice because it makes the watch quite understated, and actually I think all Panerais in fact use this style bezel, polished steel. Now moving on to the case. The case is 44 millimeters, and that would be from my thumb to my index finger the diameter of this watch, going from here to here. 44 millimeters makes it one of the larger Panerais. It's also made out of AISI 316L polished steel. Now if you look at the case, what you'll notice here is that it's polished, meaning that it has a high shine to it, as opposed to many other Panerais with this 1950 case, which are brushed and often have a brushed case with a polished bezel. This one, PAM 1359, has an all polished case, and actually so does the PAM 359. Okay, now moving on to the case back and the movement. We'll see at the case back that it's an exhibition case back, meaning you can see straight through and see the movement itself. Now since this is a brand new watch, it has a sticker on it, so I can't remove that. And the movement itself is an automatic movement, P9010 caliber, and it's an in-house movement made entirely by Panerai. It has 31 jewels and 28,800 alternations per hour. It also has an anti-shock device and a power reserve of 3 days, 2 barrels, and an amazing 200 components to it. So it's quite a engineering feat by Panerai. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the strap next. It comes with this calf strap. It's called a calf Monte Carlo black strap. It has a 24 millimeter diameter from here to here, the lug width. Also here to here, and it comes with a tang buckle. And this is quite nice because it makes for a thicker, you can use a thicker strap as opposed to a deployment. And it actually is more secure using a tang buckle than a deployment buckle. Okay, so if you like, now I'm going to try the watch on. Now, if you like this video, you can subscribe below, or you can check us out at jazztime.com. We offer the lowest price, a 1-year warranty, and free shipping. So check us out at jazztime.com, and hope to see you soon.